So hunting season has started. There will be all the big shoots before long. Some people do like their blood sport, other people their blood money, human hunting also. Just seen a trailer of a Mel Gibson film called The Hunt. Looks quite good. Okay, Norfolk Bacon SS wins a Gestapo, the local Nazis. Boys in blue. Certainly will set you up.
Of a mile, turn left onto Victoria Road.
To be hunted, box caged, assassinated, disappeared one way or another. But no Black Panther, serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. And again a rich boys loft party.
Turn left onto Victoria Road.
Someone's got Mafia and mud on it, number 10. So a rich boys loft party, human hunting party. Their high royal blue crime, blue murder, certainly not mine. And there's a good film, The Final Girl. Can see Chuck Ward for details. No Red Car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe, Steve Wright, Wayne Cousins, Brady Huntley, Fred West. And no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer here, Black Wizard, terrorist.
In half a mile, turn right onto B1077.
So like Pink says, when you're surrounded by big weak knolls, knobs, dickheads, hags, liars and evil clowns, they'll certainly disappear before they come for me. One big impact, again we're all experts do warn us, we have entered the perfect storm, Volvo there. Certainly do have to follow your golden compass. Norfolk Coopers, again set you up as a red car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B to get you done in or boxed up, locked up, throw away the key. Certainly will pay to make you disappear, so one big impact, you certainly can take a very big hit. And experts do warn us, we have entered the perfect storm, 4 storms converging. Financial, natural, solar and war, 22 on that one. So we can all take a very big impact, can all take a very big hit. And the Apostle John also did have a vision of a burning mountain hitting the sea, destroying 1/3 of the earth. So a 22-year catch-22, complete abuse of power, position, authority and influence in public office. Evergreen Toxic Crown Corporation, Saks, Coburn, Gaffe, Windsor, Essex. Or you do have to run, fly, go, disappear, or you do take a big impact. You certainly can take a big hit in this, all full of mad monster lies, bogus diagnosis and death threats, another 22 there. And no sombre, autonomy of a crime, no woolly hat, serial killer here, very good watch. Woolly hat serial rapist in France, riding round in a silver Porsche. Unchecked for 30 years, based on actual events, 54 women and young girls sexually abused and raped. So I say hunting season has started. No black killer dog wolf, no wolf man, dog man, Norfolk Wolf Creek. Sandringham serial killer here. One big assassin in this, riding around in a Ford Focus. Can see Paul and Sarah, this waterfront inn. Everyone's drunk from that poison chalice. And they certainly do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham State Killing Fields. Their high royal blue crime, blue murder, certainly not mine. And that lady there is Miss Dickens with the black dog. Claims I'm having an affair with a woman in Tesco's. I really don't think so. News to me. Radio Uplands Way. This wood yard on the right, again can see chalkboard for details. One big black axe, hatchet job, saw trap, Burston Mill, Pages and Co. This Skull and Road Assassins, Parish Fields, not so healthy centre, they are all related.
Turn right onto B1077.
So, Evergreen Toxic Crane Corporation, Saks Coburn Gaffe, Windsor
Turn right
SS.
onto B1077.
And they certainly will pay to make you disappear. All to cover up their high crimes, Royal Blue Murder, certainly not mine, that one's got kill on it. Norfolk Coopers, Coppers, Dis Mason Council, White Lodge.
Enter the roundabout.
The local mafia, the local mob, and all their cronies, spies and informers, pushing all their mad monster lies, bogus diagnosis and death threats in this Norfolk UK. So you do have to follow your golden compass. Innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear. So we do get disappeared one way or another. Certainly no Lawnmower man here.
At the roundabout, take the third exit to A143.
And here's a cracking watch, the crime series, True Detectives, The Lawnmower Man, The Yellow King, Satanic Serial Killer, riding around in a white pickup, abducting children and young girls, but there's only no Lawnmower Man here. And again, it is based on actual events. If you look up Vice True Detective or The Real True Detective, it is disclosed in police interviews and statements how people transformed during satanic ritual abuse and sacrifices when they become hosts
3¼ miles, turn right onto Church Road.
to ET demonic entities and demon spirits. So, plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates, and certainly not mine. So no Lawnmower man here, Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B. And certainly not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. And plenty of hosts for the hungry, bloodthirsty beasts in high places. That one had 17 on and a Volvo. But no black wizard here in a Volvo estate. Another good film, pledged Jack Nicholson, giant of a man called The Wizard, riding round in a black Volvo estate, abducting children and young girls, abusing and murdering them. Roe deer there, it's taking a big hit, monk jack deer. So you certainly can take a very big hit. Again, it is hunting season and they certainly will set you up to be hunted, box caged, disappeared one way or another. Some people really do like their blood sport, others their blood money, human hunting. Cruise on my frame fixed tail in this Norwich Southwold, North Norfolk coast, Derbyshire and the Lake District, though I did escape. So plenty of guns for hire, always those who'll do other people's dirty work and others who'll do anything for money, drugs and alcohol. That's been a silver Ford Focus, doing the reins in this recently, haven't seen it in more recent times, may have changed vehicles. Roy White and White Van Man, beaten and stabbed up in prison recently. Christian B, just been released from prison, involved in the Madeleine McCann case. It's been going on for over 20 years now. Another Porsche, again a rich boy's loft pie.
1 mile, turn right onto Church Road.
Human Hunt and Pie, so they're high royal blue crime. New Year's Day fines, September blue murder, certainly not mine. And that's a Jaguar there, but no Black Panther. Puma, Jaguar, Cougar, serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. This Mason Council, White Lodge, a local mafia, a local mob. And you certainly can see this post office, Royal Mail, Postie Assassins, Vigilantes, Postie Mare, the big super spreader carriers, a very deadly serial killer virus in this Norfolk, UK. And they certainly have infected everyone apart from me. No one's got mafia on it, 17 and box. So a lot of people want me boxed up, locked up or done in, and again plenty of hosts drive monster 18-wheeler 666 dual trucks. 3 attempts to run me off the road. Also narrowly missed escape, one big high-speed ram.
Turn right onto Church Road.
Cancy Palmer, Brian, Wilby and Co. This Old Boys Rural Conservative Club for details. No one hidden in my frame, fixed lockup.
In a quarter of a mile, arrive at IP 22 1 PS on the left.